and the wheel and tire setup. These giant, balloon-like tires are run at lower internal air pressure for a wider, flatter, and more flexible contact patch. Also, the ability to help absorb the brutal terrain shocks. The tire deflects and deforms a lot while in action. The lower pressure, high horsepower, and extreme terrain demands would make keeping tires connected to the rim a real challenge. So, Bead-Lock style rims are used. Normal tires use the stiffer inner ring or bead combined with air pressure to press the tire against the metal rim for a tight, reliable seal. Our Bead-Lock rim places the tire bead outside of the rim lip in a special channel. A metal ring is bolted to the wheel, pinching the tire bead firmly in place for a solid connection that doesn't require high internal air pressure to maintain.